Hey, this is a quick video on how to add a ledger to a Metamask installation. So let's quickly do this. I have a Nano S ledger hardware wallet next to me, and it is connected to my machine via a USB cable, and I am logged into the ledger device by entering the PIN. So you should probably be at the same stage now if you want to follow along. So now in the Chrome browser, I'm clicking on the Fox symbol in the toolbar to open up the Metamask wallet, and I have logged in into the wallet by entering the password. So if you need to catch up, please do so now. Now I'm clicking on the actual little circle there in the top right corner to open up the menu, and I'm selecting Connect Hardware Wallet. And it is opening up a new window here in the Chrome browser, and I'm selecting Ledger. It will probably work in the same way with Trezor. I never actually tried it, but let's just do this with my ledger. It's asking me to connect the ledger. So if you haven't logged in or if you haven't plugged in your ledger yet into your USB port, maybe now would be a great time. Since I've already done this, I will click on continue. So in this little window here, we are seeing that the Nano S is recognized and it's ready to be connected. Let's do that. Looking for the ledger, so it's reading the hardware wallet now, and what it's doing now, it's actually showing me the accounts that are available to be imported into MetaMask. Now this is a brand new wallet or a hardware wallet that I used 2 years ago or so, so I haven't used it since, and I think I only have one account set up on it. But as you know, with each seed phrase you have the option of generating unlimited, well, probably not unlimited, but a fairly large amount of, I think it's 100, I'm not sure, probably roughly 100 sub-addresses under that seed phrase. So it's just proposing the first 5, and if you could probably have, like, 10 here, and you could click on next, and it would read the other 5 subsequent accounts. Now all of these are at 0 Ethereum. I think they're just virgin accounts that I've never touched. So let's just include these two for the sake of the demonstration, a virgin one and one that I already have used. Let's click on unlock. And yeah, by the way, I have not experienced this myself, but apparently sometimes you see accounts here that you did not expect. And while I'm not too technical in this sense, I have not really studied how this whole thing works. Sometimes you need to change to a different setup. So it happened to me before that I used my Ethereum wallet account from 2017, I believe, to import, and it's just a little bit different. I don't remember the exact details, but it's basically suggesting here that if you don't see the expected accounts on your hardware wallet, maybe you need to change the system you're using. But I think for the most part, we just go with the standard option. Let's unlock it. Okay, so I think what happened now is that the accounts are connected. Let me quickly check. As you can see, Ledger Account 1, Ledger Account 2 have been imported and are accessible through MetaMask now, and you see that little designation on the right that it's Ledger. If you would have imported account through this function here, it would have said import. In this case it says Ledger because we connected a hardware wallet. I think everything worked out. So now in theory, if I click on Ledger, I will be able to use all sorts of services as per usual. I can log in into OpenSea. I can use Uniswap or whatever Web3 app I want to use, and I can send and receive crypto. Alright guys, thank you, and I see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you like my stuff. Thank you and bye bye.